So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to trim a video here on Canva. So first thing you have to do is import or upload a video that you wish to trim here on Canva. So just for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to go to the Elements tab. I'm going to go to where it says Search Elements, and I'm going to find a video game. I'll just press on that, then all the way down to where it says Videos. I'm actually going to press on this footage right here. It looks like a car is driving on a highway somewhere. This will actually work perfectly. Pretty cool quality actually. I'm just going to make it a little bit larger too, so it's the same size of the screen now. If you want to change the, chop the footage of this video, as of right now it's 28 seconds or 28.3 seconds. If I wanted to make this, let's just say 10 seconds, for example, I want you to press on the video. I want you to go to where it says these scissors right here. This basically means trim. I want you to press on that. Now you have the ability to either trim whatever parts out of it you want to make it larger or smaller. So I'm going to pause it right here. Or I'm actually going to just grab this this purple spot right here, grab the end of the video. I'm actually going to shrink it all the way down and make this video, how about we make it 5 seconds long. Once that is done, I'm just going to press on done. And as you can tell, the video is no longer 28 seconds long and instead is just 5 seconds long. So that is how you guys can trim a video here on Canva. I hope this video helped. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.